Okay, so to identify the trend in this um, line, I already have all of this drawn because um, I was trying to see where this market was heading. After this consolidation here, we see that the market starts to make, this is a ranging market because it doesn't break. It breaks falsely and goes back. And here we see that it starts to make new highs, highs, higher lows, new highs, higher lows, finally a large higher high upwards. And this is now an uptrend. It was able to break this line with a strong candle. And then, as every impulse needs a retracement most of the times, we gave those a retracement here. And that retracement looks like a high, low, high, low, high, low. It created us a flag. The flag is marked in blue. Not this one up here. I'll just take it off. The flag is marked in blue and its muzzle is marked in yellow here. This one. I am expecting that after this impulse, having formed this flag in a downward trend, creating us opportunities to observe impulse downwards, retracement, impulse downwards, deep retracement, impulse downwards, deep retracement, and a momentum here. Why is this one a momentum? Because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red candles, candles that all of them close below its opening point. After that momentum, the price stopped really close to the support line and then went upwards, breaking this momentum resistance line, which was this green candle, and then created a continuation candle, had a two candles retracement, and then made a new high, a breakout, and a continuation, a small um, red retracement, and then continues going upwards, making another high compared to this upwards leg, another leg moving upwards, uptrend leg, uptrend leg, uptrend leg, again another uptrend leg, new high, breakout candle with continuation, two candles retracement. Oh, we start to see a pattern here. And two red candle, one, two, breakout, continuation, exhaustion candle. Why this last candle looks like a suction candle? Because it closes after the first, second, third, fourth leg. Most of the times, the larger the number of legs, the more likely is it to exhaust the price. And we already have four movement, and this is the number five. So it gives us two red candle, and then goes down. And we remember that this is overall uptrend. Always good to remember what the main trend is. Uptrend, retracement, impulse, uptrend because it has a breakout. Retracement. After the retracement, which was close to these levels here and close to the round number, then we may expect another impulse. This is part of the impulse. It created new highs, and then that impulse had a retracement, and another impulse is taking place right now. When this impulse creates a new high, then we're going to be working to the level of prior high here of the main trend. And if it goes any higher, then we go back to this main trend, meaning that at this point, when this impulse breaks out the prior high, it's more likely that buyers will have more strength. And good, so we had a lower low here, but then created this beautiful channel here going upwards with one, two, three, four, five legs, a retracement, and this looks, oh, this is a breakout. This candle is likely to be green. I will just show you that even if my entry point is less than optimal, I know that this candle is pretty likely to end as a green candle because it is in an impulse. We are dealing with an upward trend. This is a retracement. We had another impulse, and we had a retracement, and also another impulse that is taking place. It is pretty close to the resistance. That is the reason I said it's not an optimal entry point. But still, I know that this one could be a green candle that closes above its opening point, and it's just what as I predicted. That's the reason entry points are so important. It's good to enter at the beginning of the candle. Anyways, you see that this is like a rectangle here. Well, it's a little confusing because its sides are non-symmetrical. But this is a rounded bottom, or so it looks to me. And then here you see that we have an upward candle, the close-up of the shadows, retracement, continuation, doubt, a weak buyer's candle. Then we have retracement and what seems to be a support here. A strong candle, a breakout candle. Let's just want a breakout candle because it closes above the prior closing point of the candle. The closing point of the prior candle closes above the closing point of the prior candle, and it closes above the shadow. So I would expect a continuation candle after one, two, almost and a half, and then it comes across this line. I think it's respecting the resistance. It is respecting the resistance that I am drawing here. Not too much, just a little bit. It did make us a new high too, but for this leg, only for this one. For this one, not for the other. The other is coming somewhere, I think. Good. So I am expecting that this one will break out upward so that it can continue this after this leg, continue the next one, and continue the next trend as well. I will just draw a line here in black for you to see what the main trend is looking like. Okay, that was not the intention. Just get out of my headset. Okay, I am expecting a trend like this, and maybe we'll reach this resistance and this round number. I will just place a line there. Maybe I'll show you tomorrow. I ran out of lines. Okay, I might show you tomorrow if we get there. I'll place it here. Maybe gets her, maybe not, but it's likely to do it because here we have a large chart. It looks like a double pyramid. Okay, but just draw do the small lines here to show you the legs. I'll take this one as an unknown one. Those are three legs. Okay, and this is interesting.